Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to change download location in Microsoft Store. In today's video, we'll teach you how to change your download location in Microsoft Store. To change your download location in Microsoft Store, first thing you need to do is open up your Microsoft Store. It's very useful if you want to change your location because you don't know where to download it, and if you just want to change the download location because you don't want it to download be there. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open up your Microsoft Store. Once your Microsoft Store is open, click on your profile on the top right. After clicking on your profile at the top right, click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you'll be located right here, Settings, and here Game Installation option. Once you are here, you may choose the installation folder and click on Change Folder. And as you can see right now, my installation folder is within Xbox games. So it's on C drive and then Xbox games right here. You see? Now you can change it to anything you want. For example, let's change it to Windows and let's click how about let's make a new file. See? Let's change it here. D drive. Make a new file. Make a new file here. New file 5. Then click on that. They click select. And there you go. You will now be able to change the location of the Xbox game. So as you can see right now, you change it. It's now changed to new folder 5. There you go. So yeah, every time I open this, it goes to new folder 5. There you go, guys. That's how you change it. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also change the default. This is a quick tip. You can also change the default download within everything, not only Microsoft Store. First thing you need to do is open up your settings here. Once you're here, click on System. After clicking on System, find Storage. Storage right here. Once you're here, you make on this change where new content is saved. And there you go. So new apps will be saved to local C. You can change the location. You can see right there. It's local C. You can change those to D drive. Just choose which one you want, C drive or D drive. So there you go, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.